Baked apple is a to-go winter dessert. Let me show you how to make it. Take a small mixing bowl and add the raisins to it. Cover them with a rum and let them rest for at least 1 hour. Take the batter out of the fridge. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, so around 360 degrees Fahrenheit. For the stuffing, grate marzipan into a small mixing bowl. Add butter, vanillin, raisins with rum, honey, cinnamon, almonds, and starch. And mix the whole thing with a spoon. Wash and tap dry the apple. Cut off 2 centimeters from the top. Remove the seeds and not eatable parts from the apples with a small knife or a teaspoon. I'm using both. Fill the apples with a marzipan filling. I'm using 2 tablespoons for that. Now it's time to grease the baking dish and place the apples into it. Next to them, also please don't forget to place the top parts of the apple. Bake the apples for 30 minutes. Serve with a top part on the top and vanilla sauce on the side. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!